the Fractions 3 bar model problems. Here is our first question. Richard spent 3/4 of his money and gave away 3/4 of the remainder. He had $6 left. How much money did he have at first? So let's draw our bar to represent Richard's money. Okay, so this is Richard's money. And it says he spent 3/4 of it. So let's split this into fourths. And now we can show that he spent 3/4. So there's 3/4, and that is what Richard spent. Then it says he gave away 3/4 of the remainder and had $6 left. So this is the remainder, and he spent he gave away 3/4 of it. So we need to split that into fourths. And if we split that part into fourths, we need to split our other 3 part into fourths as well, so that we have all equal parts. Okay, now it says he gave away 3/4 of the remainder. So let me get a different color here. He gave away 3/4 of the remainder. So here's the remainder. 3/4 of that would be 3 of our parts. So he gave that away. Then he had $6 left. So right here is what he has left, and that's $6. And I should label this that he gave away. Okay, he had $6 left. How much money did he have at first? So the question is, how much was all of this? So if this is 6, we look at how many parts of that size there are, and we multiply it by 6. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16 total parts, because we had 4 parts, and then we broke each down into 4 smaller parts. So we have 16 total parts, and each of those is $6. So we want to do 16 times 6. And we get $96. So how much money did he have at first? He had $96 at first. So we write our complete sentence to answer the question. He had $96 at first. Alright, now you can pause the video and try the second problem on your own. And then when you're done, come back and you can watch me work it out. Here's our second problem. Rick gave 1/5 of his paycheck to his brother and spent 1/2 of the remainder on a computer. He had $450 left. How much was in his paycheck? Alright, so our bar model is going to represent Richard's paycheck, or Rick's paycheck. So let's draw a bar and label it Rick's paycheck. Okay, now what do we know? Rick gave 1/5 of his paycheck to his brother. So we need to separate this into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, he gave 1/5 of it, so that section, to his brother. So this he gave to his brother. Then he spent 1/2 of the remainder on a computer. So let's look at our remainder. Our remainder has 4 parts, so half of that would be 2. So these 2 he spent on a computer. Then he had $450 left. So this is what's left, and that's $450. The question is, how much is his paycheck? So how much money is his whole paycheck? So what do we know? We know here that these two parts are 450, so each of those must be 225. So in our picture, one part equals 225. And how many parts total for his paycheck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we take 5 times 225, we should get his total paycheck. So his total paycheck is $1,125. So we could write our sentence to answer the question. Rick's paycheck was $1,125. There you go. So now you can try the third problem at home, and we'll go over it in class.